Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from a beautiful Sunshine State, folks, with Fast Cash with Sharon.com. Good news, folks. Here's what I want to share with you. The owner, Rose, from the Impact Mailing Club, guess what? I mean, this lady is something else, all right? I mean, she had extended the promotional going on with the Impact Mailing Club for another week, okay? It was supposed to end last night, midnight, which is March the 7th, okay? March the 7th, the night before. At any rate, she extended that until 1 week, which is going to end this coming Sunday, which I believe let's see, this coming Sunday, I'm just looking at my calendar here. I should have this information. This Sunday is going to be the I believe is it the 15th? Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Today's Monday the 9th. So Saturday. Yes, it's gonna be March the 15th, folks. Okay, one more week for this promotional offer. Now, think about this. You know what, folks? With the Impact Mailing Club, you can earn from $65 all the way to $1,000 in commission. Okay, for any lead package that people sign up for. Now, here is the deal. We do have four membership packages to choose from. First of all, you have the Emerald package, which is $100 plus two books of stamps. Um, you get, once someone sign up, you make $65 from that. Okay, and also $20 goes to admin. You also get like 100 leads on a peel and stick form. Okay, peel and stick labels on a sheet. So you get that. Then also you have the Ruby level 250 plus four books of stamps. You make $150 in that level, and then also indirect sale you make $50 plus you get 200 leads, which comes also on the peel and stick label. All right, now you also have the Sapphire level, which is $500 plus four books of stamps. You make $300 on that level, and also your sponsor makes $100. So an admin gets another $100. Okay, now with that level, you make $400 leads. You get, I mean, oops, I'm sorry, 400 leads comes on the peel and stick label on that form. For the diamond level, which is $2,000, five books of stamps, you make $1,000 commission. $500 goes to your sponsor, and then also 500 goes to admin. That's the company. You get 1,000 leads, okay, on the peel and stick label, folks. This is great. Now, here's the deal. Once you sign up, at least if you come in at the Sapphire level, which is $500, um, guess what? You will be automatically be upgraded, okay, to the diamond level, which means you will be making $1,000 in commission. All right, folks, you can't go wrong. As a matter of fact, when you join, okay, at the Sapphire level, you're gonna be automatically upgraded. Now, folks, this will last until Sunday, which is the 15th, March 15th. Okay, here's the deal. Go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com, as well as you can call me. Texting is better. I mean, you can reach me real quick with text. 352-805-9846, folks. We do have training. We have support. You're not going to be alone. I am here to help you every step of the way. I am willing, ready, and able to do that. As well as, folks, you have, all the training, all the support. There's absolutely nothing that you um, will short for. You're gonna get your Your package is going to come in the mail with all your leads. You're going to get the flyer. You're going to get your reseller rights, for you to share this business. Folks, you can do this strictly offline. If you don't want to share it online with anybody, that's fine. That's why it is not mandatory for you to do that if you don't want to, because you will be getting the leads. All you do, you put your flyer, your cover letter in there, your stamp, your envelope, and you just seal it. Put your return um, shipping, your return address. I mean, and then you stick on that label that you will be getting the leads. You will be getting that, and you put it out in the mail, folks. It is that simple. Now, it cannot get any simpler than that, folks. And I am telling you, this is a great way, an amazing way for those of you who are stay home moms, dads, entrepreneurs like myself, caregivers like myself, okay, retirees, college kids, you name it, folks. Okay, this is the deal. This is when rubber hits the road. This is the company. Rose is an amazing woman doing everything she can in her power to make sure that we use this as a vehicle to set us financially free. Trust me, folks. The Impact Mailing Club, okay, is getting even better and better every day. Rose is looking for ways for us all to make money, okay? She's watching out for our welfare. That's why she had extended this for one more week. But folks, she wouldn't do it forever, okay? Because, this is for serious people who wants to make some serious commission, some serious money. So folks, do not be lazy. Do not procrastinate. Do not put this off. Do not take things for granted, because when an opportunity comes along, it only comes once. Okay? So you don't want to miss out. Do not regret it, folks. Trust me, do not regret it. There's many people who wanted to do, who wanted to make money. They want to do a home-based business and offline business. They keep saying they want to do that. They keep saying, oh, how they hated their jobs. I heard so many stories. Hate your job. Well, what are you doing about it? This is the best way for you to start, folks. It takes money to make money. Nothing, there's no free ride. There's no free lunch. Okay? Be serious. All right? Be like-minded. Connect with people who are going somewhere. Do not allow people to drag you down. You know better. You can do better. Folks, work smart and not hard. Okay? You have brains. You're not a dummy. Be sensitive. All right? This is a time for you to be your own boss. You have to have plan B. As a matter of fact, people started out part time, and the next thing you know, they ended up making more than what they're making on their corporate job. Folks, I'm not telling you to quit your job, but I'm telling you to think seriously, okay? Again, go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com. Also, hit the bell and then subscribe to my channel so that you will be getting every video that I do. Okay, folks, again, my name is Sharon Naraine with fastcashwithsharon.com. Take care, peace out, God bless, and I will be looking forward to have you in my team. And folks, let's all make money together. Let's stop this poverty. Let's stop procrastinate. Let's stop being broke. Take care, peace out, and God bless. Bye for now.